This video production is made by Lunatron Productions.
Revolution Technology Group is a one-stop solution and high-tech company dedicated to the development and production of smart factories, industry automation, cold room, clean room, HVAC, product certification, and advanced material. Its headquarters is located in Cheras, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and its factory is in Klang, Selangor. It formed an ultimate alliances group with world-class facilities, provided and supported by international top-ranked principals. Revolution Technology Group provides custom-made engineering of automation robotics, Industry 4.0 of designing and building the entire facility, intelligent warehouse management system of ASRS system, designing and construction of cold room and clean rooms, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, supply raw copper materials, and custom engineering solutions. As the world-leading industrial technology company with the most advanced machinery and facilities supplier for manufacturing and warehousing solution, Revolution Technology Group has strong direct support and technology transfer from the world's leading-edge solution provider. The basic business philosophy is the foundation for its practice of contribution to the development of society as a technologist, or its resolve to devote itself to the progress and development of society and the well-being of people through its business activities, thereby enhancing the quality of life throughout the world, is proclaimed in the basic management objective. The Revolution Technology Group aims to push the boundaries of technologies and embed sustainability in the technology it integrated. Revolution Technology Group will drive and empower society and the well-being of people to a new level. Under the slogan of One Revo, the world's leading-edge technology solution provider offers a total solution by taking good care of its customers throughout the world, making it a unique advantage in developing technology solutions. In 2018, the company launched the world's first home shower auto brazing line. In 2019, the ASEAN fastest air conditioning production line and world's first heat exchanger auto brazing line were launched. The company also started the Malaysia's fastest fulfillment center and Asian top performance testing laboratory in 2021. In the future, the company plans to become a public listed company and further expand to the European and Japanese markets.
Hi all, I'm Andy Chan, CEO of Revolution Technology Sdn Bhd. Revolution Technology was established back in 2017 with the mission of bringing you the cutting-edge technology in smart manufacturing, ASIS system, automation robotic, HVAC system, cold storage, clean room, and precision test lab. Our mission and vision is recognizing our responsibility as technologists. We will devote ourselves to the progress and development of society and the well-being of people through our business activity, thereby enhancing the quality of life throughout the world. I'm feeling very honored and jubilant to receive all this special recognition. Indeed, I'm feeling excited, happy, at the same time a sense of accomplishment. Revolution Technology is one of the leading market players in the field of Industry 4.0 engineering works.
This video production is made by Lunatron Productions.